she moved forward, after a while they came a thick patch of woodlands. Okay, very thick woodlands was there, through which murmured a clear brook. Okay, and the child, now the child, he was very hungry and he complained of hunger and thirst. Okay, then she climbed over the fence with him and sitting down behind a large rock, and they sit down there behind a large rock, or large rock was there, and they just sit behind that, which concealed from the road. Okay, जिसने कि उसको रोड से कवर कर लिया. ठीक है, रोड पे कोई देख नहीं पाता कि उस लार्ज स्टोन के पीछे क्या है, तो वो अपने बेबी के साथ जो है उस स्टोन के पीछे बैठी. एंड शी फेड हिम, शी गेव हिम ब्रेकफास्ट आउट ऑफ हर लिटिल पैकेज. मैंने आपको बताया था स्टार्टिंग में, उसके पास एक बैग था, उसमें जो था उसके पास कुछ जो था ईटेबल्स थे. दैन ईटेबल्स वर एप्पल्स एंड cakes. So she gave him breakfast out of her little package. The boy wondered and grieved that she could not eat. So when putting his arm around her neck, he tried to push some of his cake into her mouth, and he also just trying to show some affection. The child was also trying to some affection, and he just put his hand around her neck, and he tries to push some of the cake into her mouth, into the Eliza's mouth. So it seemed to her that the rising in her throat would choke her. So she said, no, Harry darling, mother can't eat till you are safe. So she just replied that your mom won't be able to eat till you are safe. So we must go on till we came to the river, and she hurried again onto the रोड. सो ठीक है, उसने उसको फीड करवा कर जो भी उसके पास ईटेबल्स थे, और उसने उसको बोला कि नाउ वी शुड गो अक्रॉस द रोड. ओके, सो मीन्स उसको जो है उसने उसको कंसोल किया, एंड देन शी सेड टू कम ऑन टू द रोड. So now Eliza stopped at noon at a neat farmhouse. So when they were passing on, so at noon there come a neat farmhouse to rest and buy some dinner for her child and herself. Now she stopped there at noon at a neat farmhouse, and she tries to rest there and buy some dinner for her child and herself. So an hour before sunset, she entered the village of Tea by the Ohio River, weary and food store, but still strong in her heart. Her first glance was at the river, which lay between her and liberty on the other side. So basically, this was the whole setup, and it was now early spring. Now it was the early spring, and the river was swollen and turbulent. Okay, turbulent means stormy. In Hindi we can call it like अशांत. Okay, heavy, stormy, rough. ठीक है, कुछ भी violent. सो वो काफ़ी जो था वहाँ पर काफ़ी टर्बुलेंट हो रखा था, एंड फ्लोटिंग आइस वर स्विंगली हैवी into the turbid water, and there Eliza stood for a moment thinking about this unfavorable aspects of thing. Means उसने ये सब कुछ expect नहीं किया था, that was unfavorable aspect, and which would prevent the unusual that would prevent the usual ferry boat बोलते हैं that carries people, vehicles और goods across a river. उस बोट में जिसमें ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं एक across the river जाती हैं. So she decided कि वो उस ferry boat को ले उसको hire करे from running, but all this thing was not been possible because वहाँ पे जो है काफ़ी stormy और turbulent हो चुका था river उस पे river में, क्योंकि हमने इस पैरे में starting में पढ़ा था, it was now early spring and the river was swollen and turbulent. So then what happened, ferry boat from running and then turned into a small public house on the bank to make a few inquiries. Public house कहते हैं pub को, ठीक है, where alcohol and some food are being served. ठीक है, वो जो थी वो बैंक के रिवर पे बनी हुई था पब जो था, और वो उसमें एंटर कर जस्ट टू मेक फ्यू इंक्वायरीज. तो वहाँ की जो वहाँ का जो होस्ट थी, ठीक है, होस्टेस जो थी वो जो थी काफ़ी बिजी थी. who was busy in getting the evening meal ready. जो वहाँ पे लोग थे उनके लिए वो जो है बहुत काफ़ी बिजी थी और वो इवनिंग मील जो है रेडी कर रही थी उन लोगों के लिए. And stopped with the fork at her hand as Elise's sweetened and sorrowful voice arrested her. और वो उसके लिए मतलब जो है इवनिंग मील रेडी कर रही थी and she stopped as she heard sweet and sorrowful voice of Elise and that arrested her. That arrested the hostess. ठीक है, जो उस पब की होस्टेस थी उसने उसकी वॉइस सुन के जो है बहुत उसको शॉकिंगली देखा एंड शी वॉज बिजी इन प्रिपेयरिंग द इवनिंग मील. ओके, एंड उसकी आवाज़ ने जो है उसको अरेस्ट कर लिया. मीन्स शी वॉज जस्ट स्टेयरिंग एट हर बेसिकली.